fallen. And before any Christian apologists get up in my comments talking about hate the sin, love the sinner, or fucking whatever, miss me with that trite bullshit. Your Savior, Jesus Christ, ate with the tax collectors and sinners despite the outcry from religious authorities of that era. He welcomed a prostitute with open arms when she anointed his feet with oil. There's the whole parable about the sheep and the goats where he encouraged people to feed the hungry, comfort the afflicted, and clothe the naked, which is an allegory for bringing charity to the poor. Your Savior hung out with lepers, prostitutes, dissidents, and sinners who broke religious laws. He was deliberately trying to break down social and religious barriers and showing compassion to people on the fringes of society. Putting that in context of today, it means Jesus would hang out with the LGBTQ community, the southern small-town atheists, the poor and the homeless, the drug addicts, and the sex workers. And he would probably bust open the doors of churches and start turning y'all fake-ass Sunday Christian motherfuckers out with a whip.